Hello everyone, welcome back on my English speaking channel. So 3 months ago I have started this channel, and at that time I have decided to make videos on daily basis, but somehow I have left to make videos. And today I have regretted that why I had gave up at that time. If I had continue making that videos, then today I would have been good English by now. So at that time I gave up, but now I have realized that. So today I am going to start again my English speaking videos. Then after 6 months, let let us see how much result, how much I my English would improves. So if you see around here and there, so many people start to learn English, but after some time they gave up because they want that it would happen. They will learn English within 10 to 15 days, but it doesn't happen. It doesn't like that. It would take time. Good things takes time. So at least it will take time, 6 months or more than 6 months. You should be consistent on your motto, because without English speaking your knowledge doesn't matter. It matter, but if your English fluency is very good and your knowledge is very much, then it will be too much good. So please, if you please learn English fluently. Without English you will have to face so much problem to get job. So if you want to get good job, then you will have to be a fluent English speaker. So the question arises, when we think to start English speaking course, so where we can start? By speaking, by listening, by reading, by learning tenses, by modal verbs. There are lots of confusion at that time. But have you ever think that if we have to learn other language, then first we have to listen. We need to listen that language. Without listening we can't learn that language, because firstly we need to learn that language. After then we need to speak. So first I would like to say that switch off your native language. If you want to see anything from on phone, on TV, then switch in that language, switch in English language. You can see English cartoon channel, English movie with subtitles, and use little sentences. If you want it will happen within 15 days or 1 month, no, it's your illusion. It will take time. Good things take time. So you need to have consistency in this field. So listen more and more, and after then try to speak small sentences. Like one word is like suppose eat. So we can use make different sentences on eat. Like I can eat, I am eating, I have eaten, when are you eating. So small sentences. And after 6 month you will see that you have great transformation in English fluency. And third, reading plays a very vital role in English speaking. And make the habit to read English books. And firstly the question is, we listen more and more, and with whom we can speak. So the question is with whom we can speak. So speak in front of mirror, speak in turn on your video camera and start to speak. After then you can watch your video. After then you will find that you can remove your hesitation by this method. And you can also make a YouTube channel. And you can also, if you do not want to reveal your face, then you can hide your YouTube's videos also. It's your wish, whatever you want to see, but don't shy with for good things. Okay, so also reading plays an important role. Read good books. There are so many good books in the market. By reading, by speaking, by listening, and some important tenses and model verbs is also important. And in other videos I will also tell you that which important tenses and important verbs that plays a very important role to play to speak English. So I am also learning. So after 6 months we will see what the changes and how much English we improved. And thank you for watching.